Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a web-based PDF design tool with the drag and drop functionality. So this tool I basically developed entirely in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is the full directory structure of this project. If you need the source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. And once you open the application, the interface looks something like this. So I've also deployed this tool as well. Check the full description link. So it's a complete web design tool. So here you first of all select the PDF file, whichever PDF file that you are editing. After that, the PDF file will load directly, and then you have the ability to actually use the pencil icon. You also have ability to add shapes. You can control the color as well, everything, font size. This is your pencil icon. So you can try out this tool. If you're interested, then you can purchase it. You also have ability to just click the location wherever you need to add the text and then use the select this. If you want to delete this, you click the delete button. So it will delete that element. So it's a complete web-based design tool for PDF. So it will, if you need to edit the second page, you do the same thing and then click save, and it will save all the changes that you have done. So you will see that. So it's really easy for you. It's completely run directly on the client side. It's directly in the browser using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. It's a complete web-based PDF design tool which allows you to actually edit your PDF files directly in the browser.